A new temple in Dubai opens to the public from Wednesday, October 5, 2022. The house of worship is located in Dubai's Jebal Ali beside several churches and a Sikh Gurudwara. Blending Indian and Arabic architecture, the stark white temple stands out with the marble hand carvings, metal lattice work on the facade, and tall brass spires. Temple trustees have welcomed people of all nationalities and religious beliefs to visit to learn more about the Hindu faith, Indian heritage, and customs. The temple is open daily from 6:30 am until 8:30 pm. Parking spaces in the temple basement are limited. Authorities have advised visitors to travel on the Dubai Metro to the Energy or IBN Battuta metro stations and then take bus F44 or taxis to reach the temple. Online bookings are recommended via hindutempledubai.com.